So anytime I feed my bird on the table, it leaves quite a bit of mess, and this is where this little guy comes in handy. Very simple to use. It has a little flashlight in the front. All you gotta do is just As far as accessories go, included with this is an extra filter, a little cleaning brush, this hard to reach places fixture, a little mini brush, and charger. As far as changing accessories is concerned, it's pretty straightforward. Just insert your new accessory. Now this thing kind of comes in handy because you have this accessory to reach hard to reach places. And then you have this little mini brush, and then this one has an electronic connection, so that's sort of, because there's little things that rotate down here. If I turn it on now, that thing is going at the bottom. And that's pretty much about it. Now do keep in mind, this is meant for small use, so if you're expecting results like this, when you turn it on, then dream on. Anyways, I recommend this product.
Christmas morning, and look what I'm using. Oh my God, I don't know what I would do without this. It is the best. It does everything. All the clippings, all the care, all the Christmas stuff that was out. Just wonderful. Look at this pickup. Just perfect. Perfect. Has the little vacuum underneath it, moves, so it picks up everything you need picked up. All the glitter. I even sometimes don't even take my vacuum cleaner out. I just do the carpet, little areas where it needs picking up. It's just the perfect thing, just a perfect little tool. Buy one. You won't be sorry. You won't be sorry.
This is the release button. This is the power switch. This is the tank. It's super easy to pull out. You twist this to get the white part out, and then I just like to spray and rinse them. This is dust, I'm sorry. This is the inside of the little tank it was sitting in. This flap comes up so you can just rinse this out with water too, which I like to do. And then I just set them both upside down in the strainer so that they can dry before my next use. Here's the other side where the air comes through. That's it.